Yeah. So what we have just done is we have selected this range since we want to calculate the unit price. Okay. Then I have to pass on the row number. So what is row number? It is 4, but I would not always know what is the row number. So I will already calculate it with the help of match function, and I'm pressing enter. What is the value for the unit price for keyboard? Can you say it?
75.
$75.
75.
75.
It should give me an answer 75.
Yes.
Did I
Okay.
get it?
Yes.
Okay. So right now we have entered two formulas in the different cells, right? First we have written the index, then we have written the match. Now, what we were doing earlier, we don't want to write it in two different cells. We want to write it in one single cell. That is why what we were doing earlier is, so in case it is a confusion for how to write this formula in combination, what we will do is we will write first match, then the value that we are looking for, then we will go over here just beside equal to sign, then we will write index, then we will select this range.
It means it's not compulsory to write both the column index and match. We can adjust in one column, right, sir?
Yeah, so right now over here you can see I have used the cascaded function.
Yes, yes,
So this was just for your understanding. I was telling you why
yes,
we are using this. Now Arif, is it clear?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir, yes, yes.
Okay, why don't we give it a try for, let's say, this webcam. Let us find product ID for webcam from this. Okay, first we will write match function. Okay,
Match function, yes,
yeah,
is equal to match.
is equal to
Then
match.
select what
Webcam.
answer webcam. Select webcam.
Webcam.
Okay,
Yes, and a complete product name.
from where? Can you tell me the range?
Second table. Refer second table.
Hmm.
Complete that whole.
Hmm.
Then what we can say.
Should I leave it as it is or should I lock it?
Should I? Sorry, lock it, sir.
Okay.
Then exact match.
Zero,
0.
Yes,
Yes. Bracket complete.
bracket complete. Okay. Now we have to
yes.
write an index function. So
Is
this
equal
is the
to
match.
index.
I've got the position for webcam right now, which is
Yes,
6. This is sixth position, which is of webcam
yes,
over here.
yes.
Okay. Now we want to write the index function. Okay.
Yes.
Let us come over here. What do we want to,
Index.
what should we pass for index now? Array, which array should we pass? Is there any confusion? Do you follow how this 6 came?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Index is
Okay. For index, what you have to do is you have to select range and then row number for index. These are only two things that you would need for index. Okay.
yes,
We already have this row number.
yes.
We just need range. Now, what range we would select? What we are trying to find?
Product.
Product ID. We want
Product
to
ID.
find
Yes,
this value, right?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Port number.
Where is the product range for product ID? Here.
yes,
Yes, sir.
So this is the range that we would need from
Okay.
yes.
C1 to H1 to H6,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I will type index. Then what is this I have to select is range. Which range I will select?
Pro,
Product ID.
product ID. Yes, yes.
Product ID.
Product ID.
Product ID. Then lock.
Then I will lock it.
Hmm.
Then I already have a row number which I have
Row number. Yes.
calculated, right? I will
Hmm.
come here, close the bracket. Do I have a range? Do I have an answer over here?
Yes, sir.
P005.
5.
Right. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, now let's try it one last time. Okay. Uh, okay. Now, Rishabh, you would tell me how would I find the product ID, and Mayur would tell me how would I find the unit price for mouse. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay, Rishabh, how to calculate range? What do we calculate first for product ID?
Uh, is equal to index.
Okay. Hmm.
Then select. Sir, which product we are finding?
Mouse. This is my screen too small. Are you guys joining from mobile by any chance?
No, sir. I'm joining from.
Lapis, sir?
No. Okay.
Sir,
Uh,
I'm joining from laptop.
Okay. So we want to find product ID for mouse and
Uh,
unit price for mouse. Okay. Let us find
okay.
product ID first.
Okay.
Okay.
Is equal to index.
Index.
Select mouse.
No. What is the what? If you
Sorry.
write
Yes. Index. Then array that second table.
which column
Com,
in second table?
second, sir.
No.
product ID, sir. Product ID.
Product ID
Product
column.
ID.
We are finding product ID.
Yes. Select product ID.
Hmm.
Lock the table.
Hmm.
Then uh, select mouse.
No. No.
0,
No.
sir.
You are
Background.
you are confusing a little bit. We have to write what we have just said that find if the combination looks confusing,
Hmm.
write the formula for match first and then add the index part later.
Okay.
Okay. So we will write the match part. What value we are looking for right now? Value for
Mouse.
Mouse.
mouse. Then where do we look it at?
That's
Over
product
here,
name. Yes. Select the
product.
table. Lock the table.
Just a second. Something went wrong. Yeah. Log the table. Then I want exact match. Then I will add index function. Rishabh, are you with
Yes.
me?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Index.
then what is the range for index function now?
Uh,
This.
product
Product
ID.
ID.
Is it right? The value that is that it has pulled.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mayur, why don't you tell me how to calculate mouse unit price for mouse?
Is equal to match, sir.
Hmm.
Select unit price.
No,
Second,
no. Look at this syntax. What does it say?
lookup value.
What value we are looking for?
Mouse.
Mouse. So I'll select this mouse.
Okay.
Then
And
what does it
then
say?
lookup
Then
array.
you
Lookup array, right? Where
Yes,
do
sir.
I find it?
Unit price.
Which column?
Third
Uh,
third
No,
column.
no. We want to find
no,
mouse in this
sixth
first.
column.
Which column?
Sixth.
Column. Which column? I'm saying this is column vertical. H I J.
Sorry, J, sir.
J, sir. Sorry.
No, we want to find value or position of mouse first using match.
Okay. One. Five
Where is
numbers.
mouse?
Five numbers.
Right, but how? Which range should I select? Should I select this,
Second,
or this?
J, sir.
J. No,
J.
I will select this right first.
Okay. Product name.
First, I want to calculate or I want to find position of mouse in this table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
since I have found the position of mouse, now I will pass this position to index. Then I will select this unit price. Did we get it?
Yes, sir.
So I will, one last time explain the logic. Then probably we can move on to the next topic. And in case we have any blocker, we will again discuss it later. Okay. So what this thing is doing is, what is the logic? It says I want to find the value of this product name mouse, unit price for the product name mouse in this table. Okay, this is the log. This is the question. Now, generally, what we will do, we will go to this table, look for mouse over here, and then look for its corresponding value, which is 725, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
uh, to look for the value of mouse in this table, what do we first do? Using index match, first we calculate what is the position of mouse in this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the fifth position of mouse.
Hmm.
Okay, so for
Okay.
this fifth position, we look for the corresponding value for unit price. So I'll first find this position, then I'll select the unit price range, and then for the position of 5 number, I have unit price over here, which is 25. Do you follow, Mayur, Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So just understand the logic first. Based on the logic, formula can be applied. First, follow the position of the lookup value. Then for that position, you have to find the respective value, maybe unit price or product ID or quantity.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Rishabh.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So first find the position, then find the value. This is the sequence that you have to follow. That you have to follow. How will you find position using match, and how will you find the value using index? As
Index.
simple as that. Just as you move ahead, as you start practicing more, you will you will be
Yes,
able to
yes.
do,
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
right. Okay. Now let us move on to the. We are going to understand these concepts today. If function, if with and or, and if nested ifs and IFS ifs. Okay. So generally, when we have to make a decision, that time we use if function in Excel. So what in general, how do we make decision or how do we give condition? Let's say if you are going to the office today, if you are going to the office, Rishabh, and you have to decide whether you will wear a raincoat or not. How will you decide,
It
Rishabh?
depends upon weather conditions.
Right. So if it rains, you will wear raincoat. If it does
Yes.
not rain, you will not
Then
wear
not
raincoat.
raincoat.
Right? Simple.
Yes.
So similarly, these are the conditions that we have to use in Excel. Okay. For this condition, we will use if function. Okay. Now let us understand how we will use it in the form of example. Let us say over here. Yeah. So this is the table. What does this table say? What is this table about? Can you tell me? So whenever solving a problem, or whenever we are entering the function, you have to first understand what the data is about. That is our golden thumb rule. So what does this data about? What do you think, Mayur, Rishabh?
Student score, sir?
Students and score,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes.
So maybe the exam score of the students. Let
Yes,
us
sir.
Yes. And we decide pass or fail. If passing score is 60, so then we find out how many students pass or fail.
right. So let us say if the passing score is, it should be greater than. So if the passing score is greater than 60, then we will decide whether the student is passed or failed. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Both of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will write if function now. If the passing score, where is the passing score? So
Six,
for the first student, what is the passing score? Over
85.
here,
85.
85. Can you help me with the cell number? Where is the 85 written?
B2.
B2, right? So if passing score is greater than how much?
60.
60. Student will pass, right?
Yes.
So whenever you are writing text, just ensure you are writing it in the uh, inverted commas. Okay, single or double, anything will be fine. If the score is greater than 60, the student will pass, right?
Yes.
I
Yes,
will
sir.
close this inverted comma. And what if the score is not greater than 60? What will happen? The student will fail.
Fail. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes.
What should be result for this? Since
Pass.
this student has
Pass.
yeah, this should be passed.
Okay.
Okay, now let us do it for this. If
Is equal to if
B3.
bracket, then
hmm
D3 B3
hmm
B3 then greater than 60,
Greater than 60.
hmm then
Comma.
inverted
Inverted
double
comma.
inverted comma
hmm
pass
Pass.
hmm
Inverted comma.
inverted comma fail
Complete. Fail.
fail bracket
hmm
close.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can simply come down and drag this formula. Right? I don't need to write it every time. What I
Yes.
will do is I'll either click over here on the small square and drag it.
Drag it.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Simple, pretty
Yes, sir.
easy.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Rishabh, your Excel is still not opening, right?
Just a second. I start share my screen. Uh, So it's visible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now apply formula for, let's say, over here in the next cell in front of.
The next 50 means next to 50.
Yes,
Okay.
equal to.
So if
Hmm.
then comma select what
No, no. Select B5 50. Yeah.
5. Okay. Then select
Greater than.
three.
Hmm.
Sir, comma or
First comma, then inverted comma. 50, right? 50, 50,
50.
comma, then inverted comma.
Okay.
What do we write, have to write over here? Free shipping,
Yes.
right? Free shipping.
Okay. Then if any means any categories, then so simply write it down, sir, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Be careful always while about the uh,
Okay.
formatting. Okay. So it should be F capital, S capital.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because right now we are doing it for smaller table, but when the data set will increase, we'll have to ensure that you are doing it right way. Space. Shift.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the end.
Yes.
Hmm.
Then again.
Inverted comma. No, first inverted comma,
Okay. First inverted comma.
then comma.
Then comma. Then standard shipping.
Yeah. Anything in text comes inside inverted comma. This is the text which are in. No, no. Put inverted comma, Rishabh, before standard shipping.
Inverted comma in starting of table, sir.
No, no, in standard, where your cursor is. Yeah, inverted comma. Now write standard shipping.
Standard shipping. Then
Close.
uh, close bracket.
No, bracket is
Bracket
closed.
close.
You
Okay.
have to
Simply
write
bracket close.
bracket is already closed. You have to enter inverted comma again. Yeah. Now click enter.
Okay.
Now, is it giving you the correct result?
No.
No. Why is it not giving you the correct result? Because
Because
this
of sign.
50, because of this dollar sign.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to this 25, order number
Okay.
25. Okay. Enter the same formula over there. If
Is equal to if uh, if
mm,
then
no, no, you have to open the bracket.
is equal to if after that, sir.
Bracket you will have to open, right?
Oh,
Mm,
before. then comma.
No, first greater than.
Oh, sorry. Greater than 50.
Mm-hmm. Comma.
Sorry.
Inverted comma.
Normal comma before inverted comma, Rishabh. You know, give inverted comma over here,
Okay, first inverted comma,
then comma,
then comma,
then again inverted.
again inverted comma.
Check for the spelling. Standard shipping.
Then again
Inverted comma.
inverted comma.
Can
Bracket
you
comma.
check spelling for standard? There is additional
So
e.
sorry. Yes. Sorry.
So standard name is compulsory, sir.
This is what the task is right now. Can you see in
Okay.
the task?
Sorry, shipping. When I don't type that free and only standard, sir, name that
Yeah, that is also
particular.
fine. But right now, this is the condition for this table, which is already written. So that is why
Okay.
we are using this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, it's necessary to bracket close.
Yes. See, the value is correct right now. The value
Standard shipping.
shipping
Standard.
status is standard shipping. We are not giving
Yes.
free shipping since it is less than 25.
Yes.
Got it? So,
Yes.
Rishabh, can you remove this dollar from 50?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Standard shipping, is it
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay. Rishabh and Mayur, you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's
All clear?
completely clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All clear, sir.
Okay. Just try doing it for other two values as well, 78 and 45, both of you. Mayur, why don't you share your screen?
Okay, sir.
Sorry, can I stop sharing?
Yeah. So understanding this condition is very important because we are going to learn if over here as well and in other tools as well, let's say in Python or Power BI. We are going to use this condition. The format of using it might change. However, understanding this concept is important, right? That is why we are spending this much of time over here so that you are thorough with the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Just while you are sharing, Mayur, I just want to share it quickly so that there should not be any
Uh,
confusion.
so stop the sharing, sir.
Yeah, just hold on a second. Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what we did over here is we have removed this
Remove
dollar
dollar
sign,
sign.
right?
Yes.
Because by default it was into text format. How do you find whether it is in the text format or number format? Is just a second. Now both of them have a dollar sign over here, okay, in the
Yes.
beginning, okay. But when I click over here, it does not show me dollar sign in the formula bar. But when I click here, it shows me a dollar sign, okay. That means this is in number format and this is in the text format. You follow me?
Yes, sir.
This is in text format, this one, and this is in number format. And when you enter a formula, do comparison. For number format, it will show you the correct answer. For text format, it will not show you the same answer. Let us try using the same formula over here. Is equal to if
is
this
equal to if
greater
uh,
than
greater
50
than 50 point whatever free shipping.
free
Free shipping.
shipping
Inverted comma,
Comma,
complete
all
dot.
okay.
Inverted comma.
So, standard
standard
shipping.
shipping, right?
Comma, inverted comma. Okay.
So this result may not always be true. Okay.
Okay.
That is why
Just
it is important to understand whether it is in the text format or number format.
okay.
Okay. So this
Okay.
is something which is a part of a data cleaning. So whenever you come across any table, just go through different values on the table and see whether they have a proper format or not. If not, they needs to be converted. They need to be converted into proper format. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now Mayur, share your screen. Okay. B3, comma. Yeah. Greater than. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Go up. Can you click on free shipping once? Yeah, you got the concept. Just ensure that the formatting is proper.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Remove these dollar signs.
Okay, sir.
Or can you see this I? Can you see this I? Just hold on.
Which, sir?
Go to 25 now.
Okay.
Can you see this I? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Convert to number. Click on convert to number.
Okay, okay. Yeah, right, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it is already in dollar
Okay.
number. It's same. It is also in number format. You can simply copy the formula to the other cells. No, 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 not like this. Click on free shipping, Mayur.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the no. Can you see this small square
Uh,
near this border, the black border around free shipping? Can you see the black border? Okay.
oh, yes,
Can,
sir.
free shipping. Go to the free shipping.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the right bottom of the free shipping.
That
Okay.
small box.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. That is how you drag it. Okay. Now you can similarly drag to the cell above.
Okay.
Not like this. Click on that small square in the corner, right corner. Not over there. Go to this free shipping again. Yeah.
Okay.
Go down a little bit. Go to the corner basically. Right bottom corner. Yeah. Now drag it above. Above.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any blockers? All right. let us move on. Now we have, please stop sharing. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you guys, I mean, you guys must have learned these Boolean rules, one, zero,
Yes,
zero,
right.
one, addition, subtraction, multiplication.
Uh,
Yes, we
Maybe not in,
Bodmas rules.
in engineering or in 10th or 12th.
You talk about Bodmas rule.
Not BODMAS, Boolean.
this is Python program, sir. Right, sir?
Not in Python. It is the general Boolean rule. So
Okay.
when we add, okay, let me just understand that when we say something is true, that means it has by default value of 1. When we say something is false, that means it is 0. Okay.
Zero.
Zero.
Okay.
Now I am going to explain this Boolean rules first. So let us say if both the conditions are uh, are false, that means both the conditions are 0. Condition 1 is 0, condition 2 is 0. The result will be 0. Okay. If condition 1 is 0, condition 2 is 1, the result will be 0. If condition 1 is 0, condition 2, uh, sorry, condition 1 is 1, condition 2 is 0, the result will be 0. If condition 1 and 2 both are 1, the result will be 1. Did you understand what I just did?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So when both the conditions are 1, that means both the conditions are true, and the condition we are applying is and, that in that case the result will always be 1. But if either of condition is 0, the result is going to be 0. This is AND function. Not clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Rishabh?
No, no, sir.
No doubt?
Yes, clear.
Similarly, there is other function which is OR function. Okay. So in OR, again, these things will be same. But what happens in OR is, if both of them are 0, of course, the result is going to be 0.
Zero.
But if either of them is 1,
Result is one.
the result is 1. Perfect. So this is the basic. Now we are going to use this in the if function. Okay.
Okay.
This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let us go to the example. Okay. What is the first goal?
Example.
Read this. What does it say?
Special bonus to the
Bonus.
employee North region
Hmm.
$10,000 के ऊपर means 10,000 above 10,000 we
Hmm.
can say the special bonus announce special bonus
Hmm.
and what is the
Yeah. So if uh, if the employee is from north and the sales is above 10,000,
10,000
then there will be special bonus. Okay.
special bonus yes
और no bonus. ठीक है.
Okay.
So if the employee is from north and has sales over 10,000, there will be bonus. Otherwise, there will be no bonus. Okay.
Yes.
Now, how do we apply over here? First, we will write if. Okay. Then inside if, we want to apply this logical test, which is, and what is the region if
North.
this is equal to
North B2.
north. Just a second. If this is north, or this sales is greater than 10,000. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. So 1000.
Oh, sorry. So can you see over here, since north is in text format, I have used inverted commas, but cells, this value is in number format. So I'm not using any inverted comma.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now first I will close the bracket for and. Okay. So now whatever the result of these two operations, if both of them are true, that means both of them are one, then my condition will be true. If either of them is zero, my condition will be zero. So when I say one, that means if either of if both of them are true, that means the employee will get a special bonus.
Bonus.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, there will be
No
no.
bonus.
Now, when we are using multiple uh, these brackets, you have to ensure that all the brackets are closed. Okay.
Closed. Okay.
In Excel, by default, you will get colors for the bracket. So right now, if you can see, when I the bracket inside and, it is in red color, and the bracket with if, that is in black color. That means this red bracket is for this and function, and this black bracket is for if function. Okay, you follow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I hit enter. So the result over here is special bonus, right? Because this employee is from north region and has a sales over 12,000 rupees, 12,500, which is above 10,000. Now if I drag this formula,
No.
this employee is from south region and has sales 9,800. That means both the conditions are false. There will be no bonus.
No bonus.
Similarly, for
In
this
North,
employee,
same. Yes. The less than 10,000, there is no bonus.
right, even though
And
the employee is from north, there will still be no bonus.
okay, best means this what we can say. This is offer only applicable for North region. That's why West is more than 10,000 sell, but he didn't qualify for the bonus.
Right, right, right.
Okay.
So over here, this condition is true, but this is false. That's why there will
Okay.
be
Yes.
false.
Okay.
Okay.
Means in there every situation is condition is matter related to all the data. Means if there is a 10,000 but condition is not fulfilled, then that's why he is not qualified for a bonus, right?
Right, right, right.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now, this is the second. Now we have learned about and. Let us learn about or function. Okay. Now, flag an order for expected expedited review if the category
Review.
is electronics
Electronics.
or the value is over
5000.
Five
$5,000.
thousand.
Okay. Let's give this column a flag. Okay. Now, what we will do first is how to write it. If
If
in
uh,
bracket,
in bracket.
bracket and
no. What we are using over here is
or,
Or
oh sorry
or
sorry,
or
or okay,
yeah.
or
Then what does
bracket,
it say?
then we can find
Okay, we do not have a category table over here. Let us add a category table first. My bad, sorry.
electronics category.
Mm. Cosmetics, what other categories can be there? Yeah, okay. So let us write it now. If,
If, or if
or
bracket.
just a second, something went wrong.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. If or,
If or,
hmm,
then we can find electronics, then category
hmm, is equal to,
bracket is equal to
what is the category we are looking for?
electronics.
Electronics, or what is the second option? The sales is over
For
5,000.
5,000. Yes, greater than 5,000.
Okay, these are the only two conditions, no more conditions,
Yes,
right? I
yes,
will
yes.
close the bracket.
Bracket. Yes.
Okay. If this becomes true, the result of or is true, what will happen? We will say expedited review. What does it say?
electronics review.
Yeah,
The expected review.
yeah.
Expected.
If this is not true, then we will say no review. Okay. Is this condition true over here?
Yes, but this category is not we can fulfill.
Yeah, but the sales is about 12,000. Is about
Yes.
5,000.
Okay. In or if
Or
any category is fulfilled, then review means result
will
it's
be true.
will be true. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir.
So the only case or in the situation where or will fail is there is if both of them are false, both the conditions are false.
Okay.
Okay.
That only
Now, where do
condition
you
there.
think it will be? This condition will be false over here,
Sir, third one.
over here, right? Because it is
Yes.
neither electronics
Or
nor
nor
sales.
5,000.
Yeah, not by. See, otherwise we are getting the true answer.
Oh,
Yes.
expected
Got
review.
it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let us go to practice. And now both of you just enter this formula over here, follow this task, and let me know what is the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me know once done.
Yes, sir.
And category is electronics. Select category. Hmm, equal to
Electronics.
Hmm. Right, electronics.
Okay.
How would you write it? No, no, no. You are missing something.
Bracket.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
comma,
sorry.
inverted.
Comma. Inverted comma.
Yeah.
Then
Close, close inverted comma. Hmm. What is the second condition? Stock level is
stock level is less than 10. Then
okay.
select stock level
Hmm. What is stock level?
less than,
B2, C2.
sorry, C2,
Less than,
stock, oh,
no,
sorry,
less than.
less than
No,
10.
this is greater than. This is greater than the other one.
Less
Hmm.
than 10.
10. Okay, these are the only two conditions that we want to check.
Okay. Yes.
Then what will happen if this is no. Again write 1 and 0 over here. I'm just trying to simplify this formula for you. Comma
Okay.
1.
One for if means what we can say the exact result.
Yeah, if the category is electronics and stock less than 10, that means you will
Okay.
get 1, otherwise you will get 0. Again comma 0.
0. No
Okay,
bracket please.
close the bracket. Enter.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
drag this to the till the last column, last row. Okay, is it very matching with our answer? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now there were two conditions. The first one, if category is apparel and the stock is over 100%, over 100. In that case, we would get answer as 1. That means the condition would be true, which is there. Okay, in the third, in t-shirt, in the case of t-shirt. Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And there was second condition where the category is electronics and the stock is less than 10, which is
Okay.
true in the first case, in case of laptop. Okay. Now we have to decide if either of these conditions are true, then the product will be on sale. Otherwise, it will not be on sale. Now go to F2, Rishabh. F2. Go down. Next cell. Yeah. Equal to if, okay, go to if or, right? If or, yeah, go to cell, yes, D2 equal to 1, comma, E2 equal to 1, close the bracket. That means if either of this condition is true, that means it will be on sale. No, no, you have written the incomplete formula. Yeah. Enter, click enter. Yeah. Just go backspace. One backspace. Yeah. Comma, on sale in bracket, in inverted comma. Right, on sale. Yes. Just say yes. Yes. Yes.
So simply type yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. In bracket, in inverted comma. Right. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Hmm.
Plus.
close the inverted comma, then normal comma. No, in bracket, in inverted comma.
Bracket close.
Hmm. Click
Okay.
enter. Yeah. So the condition was true in first and second case. That is why it is showing yes. Otherwise, the answer is no.
No.
So what we did over here is actually we wanted to have this uh, third for the third formula that we have entered. We wanted that as an answer. Okay, but to simplify it, we broke it down in two different parts. We calculate the first condition first, then second condition next, and we passed on this result to the third condition. Okay,
Okay, sir.
did you understand what why we have done this or what we have done right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain, either of you, Mayur, Rishabh?
Yes, sir. No problem. We can explain it once.
Okay, now we have entered the separate formula. Now we want to enter the formula in one go. In only one cell, we want to add all these conditions. Can we give it a try? Let me share my screen. I'll show you how do we write it. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So let us
Sir,
now
it's a okay. Okay.
let us break it down. Okay, for simplicity. We'll give this blue and okay. So these are the two conditions. If the category is apparel or the category is electronics. Okay, these are the two conditions. Now, first, and these two conditions are joined by what? Or. Are you with me, both of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. First, we will write if, then or.
Or
Okay. Inside or, I will write these two conditions. What is the first one? If,
category.
right.
B2.
Uh,
B2.
and if the category is if the category is electronics or the stock is, sorry, my bad. If the category is apparel, right? Apparel or the stock is over 100%, over 100. This is my first condition. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the second condition? If the category is electronics
Electronics and stock is what
Then 10.
the stock level less than 10.
and stock level is less than 10. Now, if this condition is true, that
Yes or
means
no?
it is on sell. If it
Yes
is
or
false, that means it is not on sell.
bracket complete. Yes.
Did I get the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, in your case, Rishabh, while you were doing it, we broke this formula in two separate parts. Then we
Yes,
combined
sir.
it and passed it into result. However,
Yes.
this is something which was expected, okay,
Okay.
to write.
Yes, yes.
But again, this is the little complex, so it is a little advanced version of what we have, what we are learning so far. So it is okay
Okay.
to break it down first. So when we do not understand things, the complex things in one go, what we do is we generally break them down into the different parts, and then we try to understand it, right? That was the main reason behind why I have just told, asked you to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What I will do is for your understanding, I'll paste this formula in the chat box. Just a second. Where is chat? You can simply copy and paste this formula as it is on this cell D2 for your reference. Okay. You guys followed what I just said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, can we move on to the next concept? Now, there are, if we have to test multiple conditions, okay, so there are two methods to do it. The first one is nested if. What happens is in nested if is there is an if function which is placed inside another if function, and but what happens is it becomes very complex and easy to difficult to read. So the syntax for it is, if test1 is true, then value 1. If test1 is false, then value 2, and so on and so forth. This is nested if function. Then there, since it was a bit complex and hard to read, there is another function which was introduced after Excel 2016, I think, and this function is called IFS. So what happens is, instead of using multiple if, in what we do is we just write IFS value one, test one, and the result value one. If this is false, then it will go to test two, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this is the main difference between this nested if and IFS. Uh, just in case you have to use the complex functions or complex logic, then you will be using nested if. And if you want to use simple and straightforward logic, you will be using IFS. Okay, let me explain this to you with the help of example. Okay, now what is this data about? Are you guys with me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
What is this?
Grade instead of score. Grade.
Yeah, this is the marking system, right?
Yes, sir. Less than.
And we want to calculate which grade each of the student get, right? Just hold on a second. Now we have to decide based on the score which grade each of the students get. Okay. So we have been given a grading scale over here. If someone gets a score greater than 89, then the student would get grade as A. Okay, let us try to type it over here to verify our result. If a student gets grade which is greater than equal to 79, then it will be B. Now the student would get grade greater than equal to 69, then it will be C. And if it is greater than or equal to
59.
uh, 50, if it is greater than 59, then the grade will be D, or if it is less than or equal to 59, it will be F. Okay, so these are
Yes.
the results basically. You with me?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, now we want to use it inside the if loop. Okay, now first we will write nested if and if this value is greater than or equal to, we should write and over here, if this value
Sir, apply on at first or directly,
let
we
us
can say.
let us try to do it in both the ways. I think this should work in the first
Okay.
case. If this value is greater than or equal to 89, then it should be A. Okay. Now this is the first if. Now
Okay.
if this value is not true, that means if the score is not greater than or equal to 89, we will use another if. What does it say? If it is greater than or equal to 70,
79.
okay. If this is greater than or equal to
79.
79, then what happens
Uh,
is
B. B. Yes. B.
B.
Yes.
If this
Comma.
value,
Then if.
now again, if
Yes. If,
Great.
what we
Greater
can
than
say, greater than
greater than or equal to 60,
69.
59.
9,
hmm,
uh, comma is equal to C.
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 Then
Okay.
inverted comma, double inverted comma, if
If
bracket B2,
mm,
then what is third condition is less than 59.
no, if it is greater than or equal to 59,
9.
then it
Then,
is
okay, it is D.
D,
Inverted.
inverted comma.
Comma,
Otherwise,
if
so
less than 59. Sorry, we can write it on all the stuff or only miss greater than.
no, now we will write down this. There is one small correction over here. Okay, this says if B2 is greater than 59, then D, or if it is less than or equal to 59, then it is foil F, right?
Yes. F.
Yes, F.
Bracket complete.
Now we have to give a value. What if this value is not met? Okay, these all the ifs we are used in combination with other ifs. if the values are false. So if you see over here, if B2 is greater than 89, then A. If not, it will go to the next. That means if the value is false, then the next condition will execute. Okay. Now, if this
Yes.
value is false, the next if will execute. If this
Yes.
is false, then next if will execute. Okay. Similarly,
Yes.
over here, since we have run out of all the if conditions over here, uh, if B2 is less than or equal to 59, it will say F. And what if the value is invalid? Let's say if someone enters value, uh, maybe uh, some other value or some invalid input is inserted instead of number, text is inserted, then what we would say is N A, not applicable. Okay. If all these conditions are false, then we will say not applicable. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we have to close all these different brackets that we have opened. So this is the first bracket. For this we have closed. Okay. Now we will close one more bracket. Can you see this bracket getting highlighted? Just look over here.
Ye-
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means we have closed that particular bracket. Then we will close once again, then again, then again. Now I will click enter. See, my value is my logic is true. That is why I am able to get the answer. See, we should, the A answer A was expected, and I'm getting the same answer. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us say if I press A over here, what should I get? Mhm. Okay, something is not working. Let's say I make it 49. Yeah, I'm getting it false. So see, if uh, the required
Correct.
conditions are met, that is why I'm getting the answers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, this over here we have used nested if. That means if inside if we have used. But what happens is it becomes a bit difficult to read. Okay. So if I say like, hey, check whether this condition is true or not inside the loop and change it to let's say 80. So it will be very difficult to change this 79 to 80 just going inside the formula and see what exactly is happening, right?
Mm.
So there is another function for this. We call it as IFS, IFS. So over here we will just pass on the test. If this is greater than uh, or equal to 89, then it
89.
A. What is the second condition? If this is again
We can say B2
Sir.
greater than
hmm,
79.
greater than or equal to 79,
89.
then
Then
B,
B.
D.
Good, comma.
then again
B2
hmm,
greater than 6 is equal to greater than is
hmm,
equal to 69.
hmm,
69.
Comma.
hmm,
Double inverted comma.
Including comma.
Then what kind of C
C, then
greater
B2
third
is
than
equal
condition,
to
third condition greater than 59
hmm,
is greater than
is
equal
equal to 59 comma double inverted comma D.
hmm.
sir equal
Then
to
No, over here in case of D, it is just greater than 59.
okay,
Look at
okay,
this condition.
okay.
And then
the last one, what I can say,
B2
this
listen.
is
B2
less
less
than
than and 59.
or equal to 59, then F, right? See, we are getting the same results,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? Just that this
Uh,
is a bit better to read.
Sir, I have a question
Hmm.
regarding this bracket. we can means lastly we applied 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 brackets. For the five
Right.
brackets, it shows that all we can say uh, that it's a table, it's a five table, that's why we can put it five brackets.
So we have used 5 times if, right? So if you see
Okay,
first if this bracket is opening
okay,
over here, okay,
okay,
then there is a syntax. We are checking the logical test. This first, just look at this, okay? So this is the first one, logical test. Then
okay,
if this is based on this logical test, we will see what is the value we are getting. If the value we are getting is true, then it is A. But what if the value is false? We are going into another if, okay? Then same, we are checking the logical test for the second if over here. If the value is true for second if, then B. If the value is not true for second B, then we are going inside another if. Okay. Same for third if, we are checking the logical test. If the value this value is true, then this. If this is not true, then we are going again into another if. Got it?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yeah. Then again, same goes till here. Okay. If you observe, we have not closed any of the if function that we have started. So once we are done with entering all the conditions, then it is important to close all the brackets. Now we are, since over here we are done with all the conditions, we are closing the first bracket, then second bracket, then third, then fourth, and then fifth. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, are you with me? Rishabh? So over here we have how we have used it in the formula is that equal to, it is correct as per the formula we have used. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Do we
So,
have?
which is used, sir, for IPS or if, sir, in
So
this condition?
we can use either. So if the conditions are straightforward, then we will
Yes, sir.
use IFS. Okay. But if the
IPS is
conditions are
straightforward.
little, complex, then we can
Uh,
use IF,
yes.
nested if. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. So the third, there is a practice problem also for the third one. So considering time, maybe you can do it. Consider this as a homework. Go over all the concepts that we have learned, and then
Yes, sir.
maybe
Yes.
we can regroup tomorrow. Okay, this is the first thing that we will discuss before starting the tomorrow's session.